Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the unboxing of UGG Australia boots, and these ones are called, so I got them from Amazon and they're called Ashbury, UGG Ashbury. So the box looks like this, and when we open it they come with package like so, with this, and then it looks like this. So let's see how they look. Like so. And another one. The rubber outsole looking like this. Then we have this kind of weird leather brown one, which is a little bit easy to scratch. As you can see, we have zipper here, and then inside we have fur. Also they come with this. Yeah, we have that sign that looks like this. Inside we have fur, but not all the way in, just to the half boot, and the rest is kind of material, like some sponge also. Sponge and some kind of material. So I thought the fur would be all the way down, and also here it doesn't have fur, just that material, so they might be cold at winter. So I might return them. It says on the zipper, it says UGG. And they have flat laces. And also disappointing is that this part here is also not from real leather but some material, so they're not so good made. I mean, this leather is nice and they fit through to size, I would say. And here on the back they have this sign which says UGG waterproof. So they're kinda nice. It has such kind of style that it's rustic style, I would say, but I don't know if I will keep them. So yeah, that's how they look like, and now I will try the boots on. On me it looks like this. Weird. I can tell that this one is more narrow than this one, so it wouldn't be comfortable for me. This one is too narrow, so they go back. But they are not bad. I think they are not bad. But I have to return them because I can see now this one is a little smaller than this one. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy unboxing, and thumbs up for my video, and hit notification bell so I know that you like videos and you will get notification when I upload. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.